Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have Saranya, president of RMIT Malayali Club. So like she has actually achieved something the way she has done. So let's start with her. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm also good. Please introduce yourself a little bit.
Hi, I'm Saranya. I'm currently doing Masters in Criminology and Justice. I'm in my second year, and yeah, it's just been a year since I came here, and it's going pretty well. Oh, by the way, I'm from India.
So are you citizen or international student?
International student.
You're also international student.
Yeah.
Okay. So like RMIT Malayali Club, is it paid or like it is not paid?
It's not paid, it's
It's not
completely
paid.
free. Yeah.
It's free, yeah. So how do a normal person get into this?
It's actually pretty simple. You just have to go to our Instagram page, which is our Mighty Malayalis Club, and we have our membership form in the link tree. So yeah, you sign up, and then you can also join our WhatsApp community because I feel like people are way more active in WhatsApp than Instagram. So yeah, it's pretty simple.
Okay. So Suranya, what kind of events do you do whole out here?
Events till now we have done all the festivals that we celebrate in Kerala. So I mean I'm not sure how many of you know this, but Malayalis Club. So Malayalam is the language that we speak. So we are from Kerala, and Kerala is a state in India that is in south side, and Malayalam is the language we speak. So that is why it's Malayalis Club. So we celebrate all the festivals in Kerala because Kerala is a huge community. It got like 14 districts. So everybody got their own traditions, their own festivals. So we try to celebrate all of them.
As maximum as you
Yes,
can.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
That is good. That is good.
Yeah.
So if anybody wants to be an executive member for Malayalis Club, how can they be?
So we are actually the first executive members in this club, and we had our alumni, but then it was just a community under the Indian club. We were not registered under RUSU, so we became a club this year. So we are the first executive, so we didn't really have that sort of formalities like with the elections. But from next year onwards, not next year, next semester, because we are mid-sem club. So from next semester onwards is like, I think we haven't done that yet, so we really don't know, but I think it's going to be I think it's going to be like, I think they have to fill up the form, so we would be probably giving a form for them to fill up if they want to go for president, secretary, and then it will probably be a speech and then elections. I think that would be the procedure. Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
What kind of problems do you face? Like you have started right now, so obviously, but it has been now for months now, so you might be facing some problems, right?
In the club, right?
Yeah.
I think when we started, so it was Onam. Onam is one of the biggest event for Malayalis, and if you compare with all other universities, RMIT Onam is the biggest thing here. Yeah.
I agree on that.
Yeah. So that was our first event. So and at that time we had our alumni to help us, but still like it was completely different from what previous committee members did. So because of that, we had issues where people started questioning the, like it's normal, like people would come up with questions. So we had that sort of situation, but then everybody was so understanding. So that was the first situation we faced. But later on, I think everything went actually pretty good. Like, yeah.
No, like, do you guys have this thing also? Like, there are when free tickets are there, so people don't show up or something. This problems also you face or not?
I don't think so, because we had Kerala Piravi. That was like a new year, not a new year, but like a celebration for Keralites. Like it's just like a birthday for Kerala. So we had that, and it was a free event. We initially thought people would not show up or would not be so excited to be a part of it because we had that. That was our first Kerala Piravi in our mighty. But surprisingly, more than 100 people showed up.
That is a big
So,
achievement.
Yeah, so I think that wasn't a problem at all. Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, but we did have I think when it comes to problems, it was maybe it was rules and regulations, like because we are new clubs, so there were many rules that we had to follow, so we had to keep on checking with our club officer like whether this is okay, whether that is okay. And yeah, we had to do that. And we also had like our executives of other clubs who helped us, example Indian clubs, so they helped us too with it. So yeah.
That's nice. Now, does this come under Rusu?
Yes, it does.
It does.
Yes.
Yeah. You told like last time it wasn't, so this is
This
the
time,
first.
yes, yeah, it is.
Do you miss home?
Uh, I don't know. I don't think. Maybe at times, as everyone, you might feel lonely, and then you just want to be with your mom or your family. I
Yeah.
think. But then I was in India for like last 2 months for vacation, so at the moment I'm not like really missing it. So yeah.
What do you suggest for like Malayalis communities who are back in India want to join this or something?
Oh, I would say it's going to be so fun. It's going to be super fun. Now that we have Malayalis Club, it's going to be extra fun for you because you're not going to miss any of the programs there. You wouldn't miss that. Oh, I wish I was in college, because colleges in Kerala are like super fun. They have every events. We do that here as well. And I think this place could also give you like a lot of friends and make connections. And yeah, you're not going to miss home much.
What benefits do you get after getting into this, like Malayalis community in general, not executive member? Like if I am ordinary person and I want to be, so what benefits will I get?
Yeah, as I mentioned before, networking, making friends, making connections. That's obviously the first benefit. Second is maybe, if you're like really working close with us, or you would also probably get to know how to manage a whole team and how everything works. And another benefit would be, again, just functions, festivals. You would not be bored at all because every day will have some or the other programs.
It will be fun. You will dance your heart out.
True, yeah. Oh, we're also like planning to conduct sports day. So people who wants to, because I'm sure people miss playing soccer, playing cricket, or yeah. So we are planning to conduct that as well. So yeah.
Does it affect your personal life?
At times, I wouldn't say it's because of the club. I would say it's also because you need to manage your work, your studies, your responsibilities. So you might not find time for yourself.
Yeah.
So that could be a reason. But I think it's worth it.
Okay, just a question. Like, for example, you do events. So, this is sponsored, or like you get sponsorship or something, or you do by yourself?
So before it was registered by RISU, we actually had to, contact sponsors because we didn't have funds. So we had to get sponsors. But then after getting registered, I don't think we really contacted them. So before we had to, but now we don't have to.
So, was it difficult to start again RMIT Malayali Club?
So I mean, that could be like a bit of a long story, but then I'll just cut short it because I think since 2019 our alumni have been conducting Onam every year. That was like the only event which has been taking place. So after that, when we got in, we wanted to be a club. Like my team, we really wanted it to be a club and give opportunity to our Malayali community members. So we actually had to know how that will take place, how that will work. So we had one of our previous executive member. He has been helping us a lot, so he is the reason why how we got Jacqueline's mail ID. We contacted, but then it wasn't very tough because she was also very helpful. Sorry.
All good.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think so. That is all. Thank you so much for being here. If you want to share anything, you can.
Nothing. I mean, I would say if any Malayalis out there who are watching, please do subscribe to Tandi's channel and also be a member. And it's not just for Malayalis. Everyone is welcome. It's completely free. You will have super fun. Yeah.
It is diverse. Actually, it is not specific for Malayalis. I am also part.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think so that was all. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your
Thank you
time.
so much.
Thank you. Do like, share, comment, and you have questions, you can comment. I'll ask her. Thank you so much.